Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send any kind of file on Messenger. So let's start. First open Google Play Store and search for RAR app. This app is completely free and easy to download. So download it and open it right now. When you open the app, you'll see that all the folders and files of your My Files app are here. Now let's go to a folder and select some files. You can select multiple files. Since you can easily send photos, so I'll show you a different kind of files. Let's go to this folder and let's send this file. Now select it and tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on send. Then a sharing window will open. Now tap on Messenger. It takes a few moments to load. Now search for a recipient. Then tap send. And that file will be sent to the recipient. Now let's check it out. Let's close this app and open the Messenger app. If you don't see the message here, then refresh your feed. Here is the conversation. If you open it, you'll see the file has been sent. And just like that, you can send other types of files too. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.